Hey everyone, it's Anna here, coming to you once again from the For Real channel. Today, I have an exciting tutorial for you all. Ever find yourself in a constant tug-of-war between Apple Music and Spotify? For those of us who prefer Spotify's beat, getting it on your Mac might seem like a tricky business. But guess what? It's not as complex as you think it is. Let's make your Mac dance to Spotify's tunes in no time. So, can you get Spotify on your Mac right from the Mac App Store? Well, in a twist of events, the answer is no. You'd have to take a little detour and go straight to Spotify's website to kickstart the process. But fear not, we're going cruising through it together. So let's get started. First things first, fire up your web browser and head on over to www.spotify.com/download/Mac. Look out for a download button and give it a click. Your patience might be tested for a couple of seconds, but hang in there. Now, the Install Spotify app will download after you've hit the button. Once it's finished, make a double click on it. Not finding the app? No problem. Just check out your browser's download section. You'll be greeted with a pop-up saying, "Install Spotify is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it?" Don't worry, it's not a trick question. Click on the Open button. Spotify begins downloading on your Mac, and once it's done, it will open up all by itself. If you need to sign into your account, go right ahead. But sometimes you might find yourself already logged in. Hey, if you're enjoying this video and find it helpful, why not smash that like button? And while you're at it, subscribe to the For Real channel for more awesome content like this. Got a question or suggestion? Drop us a comment. We love hearing from you guys. And just like that, you've got Spotify on your Mac. It's easy peasy, right? No need to select your device's chip or have macOS Ventura. However, a heads up, it's always a good idea to have the latest Mac software to steer clear of any security threats. Time to jam out to your favorite songs and podcasts on your Spotify. And guess what? If you ever run into any issues with the app, don't panic. You can try clearing it off your Mac and re-downloading it. That's all from me today, folks. I hope this tutorial helped make your Mac a little more Spotify ready. On that note, it's Anna signing off. Remember to keep it for real, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.